Hey, what's up guys? Today I want to show off some new hardwood grips that I ordered for my Sig 220. I got these from Hogue and they're called the Pau Ferro grips. Probably not saying that right, but they're hardwood grips and they came with two new screws as well as both grips. What I had on here before was the Hogue rubber grips with the finger grooves. And look, it was really hard for me to make this decision on ordering these grips because those Hogue rubber grips, they felt fantastic. But I've always loved the look of wooden grips on pistols in general. So I decided to order these and put them on my Sig 220. So this is what they look like. And again, I was hard pressed when I ordered them because I was afraid they were not going to feel as good as the rubber molded grip that I had before with the finger grooves. But I'm going to say it feels almost as good as the rubber grips that I had on here. Almost as good. I got to give it to those rubber grips, man. They situate your fingers right in the grooves. My fingers, at least. It might not situate everybody's fingers, but they were good for my fingers. And that rubber, it just, your hand wasn't going anywhere. But to my surprise, these wooden grips feel like a close second. If I had to say one thing about them, I wish we had some grip texture along the back right here. Obviously we don't have anything in the front going on, but right here in the back would have been nice. But look how, I mean, you can't beat the looks of these wooden grips. I'll throw up on the screen how much I paid for them. And I'm really debating about getting some for my Legion 226. Okay, but the G10 grips that came on the Legion, just like the rubber grips for the 220, these grips are really hard to beat. I mean, they feel very textured and very comfortable. See, they have the gripping, the stippling right here on the back, which definitely makes it sit in your hand a lot better and feels really good. But I think I might try to order a pair and throw them on the Legion. I think that would give the Legion a real sexy look. I love the Legion. It's just that everybody that has one, all the pistols look exactly the same because they pretty much come from the factory with all the upgrades that you need, so you don't really feel the need to upgrade anything. But I do like to change something about the pistols if I can, and I'm really happy with these Pau Ferro grips, hardwood grips. It doesn't say what, they're probably walnut, but it just says hardwood checkered grips on the website when I look at it. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a up close look at them. They don't wiggle, nothing moves around. I tighten them up with both these silver screws. I like the silver screws. Sometimes they can come with the gold screws, but the silver to me looks a lot better. Yeah, she feels real nice in the hands. So I really love the 220. It's just the magazine capacity. We have 8 rounds in the standard one, so I decided to order a couple of these fun magazines, 10 shots, and that's the look we're getting now with the 10 shot inserted. Gives it that boomerang type of look, but you got 2 extra rounds to play around with, so I think that's nice. I gotta get out to the range and shoot it. I haven't shot it yet with the new grips installed, so we'll get out there to the range real soon and take some shots. Man, I feel like I could just like boomerang this thing and it like fly and then come back to me and I catch it like this, you know? No way you're missing that magazine. Yeah, feels good. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.